everyone, it's Patty. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be sharing with you the unboxing of the January sub box from Simply Gilded, which is called the Sugar Collection. And as I always mention, I do customer service for the Simply Gilded box, and for that reason I receive mine early so I can share it with you all. But if you are a subscriber, you will be receiving your box by the end of the month. And if you're not subscribed, I will leave a link below so you can take a look, and if you want to subscribe, because Irene's boxes are absolutely stunning, and this one is no exception. I just love the font of this Sugar Collection. Then it says quality confectionery since 2015. It's super cute. In the back it says treat yourself, and I love the soft pink, and I've seen some sneak peeks, and the color scheme is right up my alley. So I'll be taking everything out, and then I'll share with you everything that is included in this month. But the only thing I will not be sharing is the mystery item, because I don't want to ruin the surprise for anyone. So don't worry if you're a subscriber, you don't want your surprise ruined. I will not be sharing it. So let me take everything out and I'll be right back. And apologies for the finger covered with the washi tapes, but I had a little accident with the scissors while opening the washi tapes, and the scissors won. But here's a list of everything that's included, and as always is a ton, and you get one of these little cards in all your boxes. So you're getting a foil journaling card, designer washi tapes, premium stickers and seals, new foil icon stickers, stitch binding book, notebook, engraved black gel ink pen, ribbon and puff keychain, vegan leather pouch, foil B6 pencil board, deluxe mini sticker books, and the mystery item, which of course, as I said, I will not be sharing because I do not want to ruin that for you guys. But the first item that is on the list is the gorgeous foiled journaling card, and Irene is kind of like known for journaling cards because people collect them. I collect them. I have them all in a little album, and they are beautiful. You can use them, of course, for dashboards. You can frame them, and this one has that feel of the kind of like old sweet, you know, not old, but the vintage, the kind of sweet shop where you would have all the candy in the jars, and it's just so beautiful. I love the pink with the gold foiling, and it says life is sweet. And then the next item I wanted to share is something new, which I'm so excited about. It's the foiled B6 size pencil board. I just love this. This is so gorgeous. I love the soft green, kind of mint green in the background. You can kind of see a reflection. This is laminated. It's foiled with gold foiling, and in the back it has the same here you go, you can see me, you can see my washi tapes there, but you can, you know, it's got the same line, has the card, so it kind of matches. But I wanted to basically have this out to show off the beautiful pen, because otherwise the pen color kind of kind of gets lost with the gray background. But this is the beautiful pen, which is a gel ink pen. It's 0.5 millimeter, and they're beautiful. It has this opalescent kind of like soft white gray color with the soft pink stripes that go around. And what is new is that the finish of the metal, it's matte. So normally the other pens that we've had so far, they were like shiny metal, and I love this matte gold. It's just very understated. It's refined. It goes so well, and you'll see it coming up in another item that is included. Then we also get a B6 stitch binding notebook, and how gorgeous it is. This is reminds me of one of my favorite macaron shops, with the gorgeous little macaron in the middle. It says sweet. It's a stitch notebook, so you have stitch binding there. You have the beautiful soft paper, which is a very nice weight, which is dotted, and in the back it says life is sweet. And you can use it for setting up your planner. You can use it for all sorts of other things. And then we're getting a pouch, which is a completely different style this time. And this is a vegan leather pouch. It is this soft pink with a cute little heart right there at the edge of your little zipper. And it has the scalloped edge. And this one can kind of stand up a little bit. This will be perfect even for your, actually, I'm probably going to use this for my makeup. I use these a lot for planner supplies. But this is too adorable. You know, like I think I want it in my purse at all times to carry it with me because she's so cute. I love the little, and this is very soft, and I love the scallops. I have a thing for scallops. And then continuing on the theme of scallops, I'm not going right in the order of the little list, but on everything that catches my eye. So this is instead a little deluxe mini sticker book. So we got last month, not last month, but in November, we got that, big sticker book, which was, more for your larger stickers. And this time Irene has included another one in vegan leather with the same beautiful scalloped. It has this heart closure, and when you open it up, it has a little pouch here which has another scalloped, and then you have all these inserts, and they are the perfect size for the new stickers that she is introducing, so you can immediately use it for that. Now, I always try to find alternative uses for everything because just the way my brain thinks. And so, of course, you can turn this into a planner if you insist. I would always immediately take this out, thread some, string in there. It can become like a B6, not B6, but probably, I'm wondering if an A6 actually may fit in here, but definitely a pocket, but probably an A6 may fit. And then, of course, you can use it even for pictures, but I'll show you how the new stickers look inside in a minute. But as you can tell here on the edge, there's a little loop, and on the loop, if you wish, you could add the next item, which is this adorable this is a little soft little poof little keychain. It's a keychain, but at the same time is also a charm. So it's called the Ribbon and Puff keychain, and it has this beautiful keychain here. It has a charm which is in the same matte gold. It says Simply Gilded, established 2015. So you can attach it to your planner. It's super soft, by the way, or you can attach it to your purse. I have actually a couple of these attached to my other purses, or you can attach it here. Now, I'm wondering if you could use this as a wallet. If you removed these inserts and inserted some of those little inserts that you can buy, on Amazon, this could also turn into a wallet. I don't know, but it's so super cute. Look at how adorable this is together. It's just adorable. Now, since we're talking about the stickers, why don't I show the new stickers that are included, and then I'll show you how you can put them inside your thing. And there we are. So we have these 2 sheets of stickers. These are the new icons. They are beautiful. Let me show you first the easier ones to see, which are, this is the heart icons basic one. So you're getting all these icons in different pastel colors, and they are beautiful. And then you can get the same icons in this gold foil. And so then when you're finished using them, when you want to take them on the road with you, if you have a little planner, you just stick them in there. You can stick 2 per sheet, 2 per here we go, per page. So you can get a lot. You can store a lot in here. And I love it when we get a product and we already have a storage solution, don't you? Because otherwise you're always thinking, where am I going to put these? So I love this. I love this new product, and I use a lot of icons. So I am so excited that Irene has introduced them. Now, another item that I always love is the seals, and these are so pretty. I love the pastels with the gold foiling. I love all the colors. And then we're getting deluxe stickers. Now, deluxe stickers, as I always say, they're on unicorn paper. You get 2 large sheets and 1 small sheet. So this is the first sheet, and you can have you have some headers here. You have 5 full boxes. You have actually, this is another. No, this is just some deco. You have some little flags. I love this little sweet thing here. And then on the second sheet, you're getting 2 weeks of days of the week, so you can use this. Let's say that you just are minimal kind of like you don't use that many stickers. You can make this stretch for 2 weeks. And we have 3 more full boxes. We have a little appointment, little headers, checklists, some icons to celebrate planning time. And then you get an additional little sheet in which you get more deco, 1 more full box, you're getting 4 of the little head checklist, hard checklist, and then you get 4 of the half boxes. So I really love this. I mean, this is just me. I am a fan of macarons and everything, and so if you see my you know, little craft room, you'll know that I adore macarons. But here are the washi tapes that are included. So we're getting this month 3 of the 15 millimeter and 2 of the 7 millimeter, and they are so precious. So this is one that looks like a little cake. It's got a scalloped edge in pink with little confettis that are in gold. And if I can tell, let me see, because unfortunately, let me see, there we go, if I can help it. Yes, so it is kind of see-through. So if you can see it when I put it to my finger, it is kind of see-through. I just adore this. This is just probably one of my favorite ones. And then of course you have this beautiful floral with gold foiling. And this one has also a very soft pink background. Here we go. This is gorgeous with this pink flowers on it and the very soft, you know, green. So it's not overwhelming. And then this ombre. I have a thing for ombre. I always say it. I have a drawer full of them, and this is no exception. This is gorgeous. It goes from a white to a soft green, and then it has the beautiful gold foiling, which looks like a matte gold foiling to me. And then you also get 2 of the 7 millimeter, and I adore. I mean, I really love the 7 millimeter because it's just such a, you know, different size, and I love this one with the little scallops. And then we're also getting one, this one, which is more of like a, I'm trying to define it. Like, I'm bad sometimes, guys, with colors. So I would say it's not a brown. It's more like a maroon color with the gold little accents. But so you're getting all these. So these are included in your subscription. So 2 of the 7 millimeter and 3 of the 15 millimeter. Now, if you are, you know, if you like your washi and you love the 5 millimeter size, you can subscribe to the 5 millimeter add-on, which is as to ship with your main sub box. So if you don't have a main sub box, unfortunately you cannot order it, and you'll get all 4 of these. So if you are a new subscriber, it will be from January, you will be at $6 for all 4 of these. Or if you are grandfathered in from last year, you'll only pay $5.75, and you already know because you're already subscribed. But I just love these colors, and it's just like, oh, look how pretty that is. This one, and then the little dots, the green with the little gold dots, and of course soft pink with the little gold bows and the little hearts. I use these all the time if you're using a smaller planner, but even just to layer, to create a border with your washi tapes, you need this on top of your regular size because they just go all together, and look how beautiful they are all together. So here it is, guys. So this is everything that is included, excluding the you know, mystery item, which I could not share to ruin the surprise. But if you would like to subscribe, I will leave below the information on the website and how you can subscribe, so don't miss out. There's not a ton of spots this month, so it will probably not last you know, super long time. But this is one of the cutest collection that I've seen from Irene, you know, and I wouldn't miss it, trust me. But I hope you have a wonderful day. If you have any questions, please send me a message on Instagram. If you have customer service questions, please just reach out at simplygildedbox@gmail.com, and I will answer there. Okay, hope you have a wonderful rest of your week. Bye-bye.